Hey everyone, it's Akhila. Welcome back to my channel. I am traveling in Andhra Pradesh and on a road trip to this beautiful tourist destination, Maredumilli. We started at 7 in the morning and after driving for 2 hours, we halted for breakfast. Maredumilli is at a distance of about 80 kilometers north from Rajahmundry. If you're traveling by air, Rajahmundry Airport is the nearest, and for train travelers, the nearest station is Rajahmundry Railway Station. If you want to explore the city, I made a video on how to spend one day in Rajahmundry. Do check that out. I will leave the link here. From Rajahmundry, you can take a taxi or rent a bike to reach here. Maredumilli has got so many resorts and hotels to stay, and the prices are also quite reasonable. In this video, I'm going to show you all the places you can visit here in a single day. The roads through this forest are so scenic with tall trees and lush greenery. You'll also find a lot of monkeys along the way. The best time to visit Maredumilli is post-monsoon from October to March. Our first stop is the Manum viewpoint, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the lush green hills and dense forest of the Eastern Ghats. It's a serene spot perfect for nature lovers, providing a peaceful retreat. The sunrise and sunset views here are particularly stunning, creating a magical atmosphere that captivates every visitor. Next, the Soku Wagu viewpoint is a hidden treasure that showcases the tranquil beauty of the region. Overlooking the gentle flow of the Soku stream, this viewpoint offers a serene escape surrounded by vibrant wildlife. The soothing sounds of the water combined with the picturesque landscape makes it an ideal spot for relaxation and contemplation. It's a perfect place for photography enthusiasts and nature lovers, providing a peaceful ambience that truly captivates the essence of the Eastern Ghats. As you travel along your route, be sure to buy Bambo Chicken. This is a must-try for anyone visiting Maredumilli. It's a unique local dish prepared by marinating chicken in a blend of spices and herbs, which is then stuffed into a bamboo tube and roasted over an open flame. Watch out for this charming iron bridge that has a water stream beneath. You can take a short trek down to the stream's edge for a perfect picnic spot. Enjoy your bamboo chicken surrounded by nature with the soothing sounds of water enhancing the experience. Palim Reservoir is another lovely destination near Maredumilli in a place called Rampochuduvaram. Surrounded by these beautiful rolling hills, the reservoir offers a perfect spot with calm waters reflecting the sky beautifully, making it a great place for photography. It is also a haven for bird watchers with various species frequenting the area. Maredumilli also has a few waterfalls like Rampa Waterfalls, Amrutadhara Waterfalls, and Jalatarangini Waterfalls. All these places are currently closed because there's heavy rainfall, due to which an accident had happened recently and a few students died. Most probably these places will be open post-monsoon, so I'd suggest you all to be careful when you're traveling, especially near waterfalls. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in another video. Until then, bye-bye.